how to plot points in a coordinate plane. So everybody in here knows how to graph, so I'm going to stick to just doing a few examples here to make sure we know how to do the instructions in your book, okay? Alright, so first of all, let's make sure we get what a coordinate plane is, your graph that you've been using. What are the quadrants? Okay.
The top right is 1,
Yep.
top left is 2, bottom left is 3, and bottom right is 4.
That's right. Good. Those are your quadrants. The positive section is your first quadrant. Alright. Let's do example 1. Let's just graph some things here. Everybody graph these 2 points. Point A at 2, 4. B at negative 3, 5. C at negative 4, negative 3. And D at 2, negative 5. Everybody graph those points on your coordinate plane.
Do we need to rock, paper, there?
For your notes?
No, for homework.
Yeah.
Do you have any?
Yeah, a little left. All right. Again, this is review, so let's go over this. 2, 4. Point A is over 2 and up 4. Remember, this is your x. The first number is your x. The second number is always your y, just in case there's a few in here that always mix those up. B is at negative 3, 5. So negative 3 on the x-axis, positive 5 on the y. That's point B. Negative 4, negative 3. Left 4 and down 3. That's C. And D is at positive 2, negative 5. Right 2 and down 5. All right. We got all those right? All right, so it's just graphing. Everybody's knows how to do it. All right, so let's go to example 2. Example 2, we're going to graph and give the range. Okay, so we're going to graph y equals 1/2 x plus 1 with this domain. Negative 6, negative 4, negative 2, 0, and 2. Again, that is a review from earlier chapters. First of all, what's the range going to be? What's that?
The Y.
The y. When you do what? When you substitute the x value, domain values in. So everybody do that. So what we do, we made an XY chart in previous chapters and figured out what all those were. So everybody do that real quickly. You got to graph it, and then you got to tell me what the range is. That's your word. So like negative 6, we're substituting negative 6 in for x. That's just where you can work it out.
Do we have to do that?
No. This is what we did in earlier chapters. What?
Can we make it like this?
At this stage, this is really all review, just showing it to you so you can see it different ways. And this is really a stepping stone for what's coming. Okay. So we're just reviewing today, get you back into the graphing routine. Okay? I'll do it. You guys work it out. I'll work it out too, and we'll see if we get the same answers. Make sure you graph it too. to do. You should be done. Everybody in here should be done. Okay? Everybody get this?
Yes.
Okay. Then I want you to do this. I want this specifically laid out for what the range is. On your homework assignment. Okay? You can write it on the graph, that's fine.
Do we have to make the XY chart?
No, you don't have to. This is what you have to have. Again, this is a review, so I'm being a little lenient on that stuff. Okay? All right. Any questions? Yeah.
Like when you say it's review, like every year in math, it's always all review.
Not in this class, it won't be.
Well, that's how it's been before.
The beginning part of the book is almost all review.
Well, that's how it's been for the whole year before, but not.
No, it won't be like that eventually. Don't worry, we're getting there. We're in chapter 4 already. We'll be speeding towards it pretty soon. Assignment. Page 209, 4 to 40 even. Mixed review even.